Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this game night fit in DTI. So whether you are rolling dice or surfing looks, this DTI outfit is perfect combo of comfy, chic and competitive. Now let me show you how you can create this look for game night theme. As for the hair, first I'm going to use this long hair in here, this one, and I'm going to use black for all of the hair color, and then I'm going to wear this wavy hair here, then this bangs, and lastly I'm going to find this short two-tone hair, this one, and color it all black. Okay, so for the hair it is done, and let's start with the outfit. First I'm going to find a coat item to wear. So I'm going to put on this eyelashes and then this jacket in here. To go, it's into no watermelon, and I'm going to change the color using this color in here, combine it with white. And also for the pants, I'm going to wear this pants in here and change the color into pink and white like this. And I'm going to also wear this bunny slippers. And for the top, I'm going to combine it with this tank top with the heart in here, and change the heart color into pink, the same with the jacket and also the pants. Now I'm going to grab some accessory here. This is for the arms, and I'm going to also grab this phone and toggle it into tags. Then you can just add some more accessory here. I'm going to grab this choker necklace and color it pink, and I'm going to also wear this headphones. So it is done, and this is the final look for the game night outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.